Hi, I'm Steve Staten of Delta's Fleet Computing. My goal in this playlist is to create 65 videos, one for each project in this kit. In each video, I will, with video time dilation effects, show how to build the project, demo it, discuss the elements of electronic operation it demonstrates using various electronic instruments like a digital voltmeter and oscilloscope, and review the project's content. Each project features a technical explanation of the circuit, as well as a schematic, a wiring diagram, and whimsically, a cartoon of the major components explaining their contribution to the circuit. In some cases, I will reach beyond the kit's resources and show breadboard examples of electronic theory being employed. Initially, I only intended this to be a trip down memory lane for people who were fans of these kits, but a good friend challenged me to make the videos truly useful for learning about electronics. I will try to do just that, and even bring some mathematics to the screen. I will also create a retrospective video about the experience when I'm done showcasing the experiment videos. I hope to acquire other all-in-one project kits, but I think this one hits all the bases and has some unique elements, for example the Zener Diode, that make it stand apart. Also, as I get feedback from viewers, I may update videos or have mailbag appendix episodes where I share what others send my way. My main goal is to preserve the history of this unique learning toy and its role in shaping the late baby boomer and early millennial generation of electronic hobbyists. Enjoy.